Neda pidang dunaru, shimshu sakane.
Ni, kebesibun mo.
Pantang syejan bagetu kebriu klim, teho. Ngate bat pangannya tarkot sisendan.
Good.
Hai kijan, men step perbumi na yang utak dah kesen ayu, bat anda lawan pai kesema dah kesen ayu, sabishar baha.
Nasian ngala ong nyapau ni umdeu pa jong pa yan.
Dili, kelimnya usai lai kami.
Bat ya meh kat nasian ngala ong jian ka khut jong amem so tho.
Katanat MEPGDCL mentagas ngi ke khatlai terigu kala lengkot kala penlong ya ka program ajing hikai ka bakerpang ya ki pajba nong song snong ki basong hakathan Umtru hydroelectric power station hakathan Bornihat lengba ka project dam rehabilitation and improvement project na ka benta ban yada yalade badru ban sumar ya ketika jaka penmi boarding electric ka badai ka we na ki jaka penmi boarding electric ban I boarding syaki pajba nong song snong jong kathan Bornihat lasdang ya kane ka program da ka jing ajing hikai ka bakerpang ya ki nongle jungok kai perthei bat ye ki pajba nong song snong ki bajulet syakate ka wa Umtru ba ki dei ban long ki ba phikir bha ha ka por ka ba plai khamtam ha ka por slap khnang ba ki nomi kino ki jingjia ki bas ngausi ha ka ju ka por la ajing hikai ro ba ki dei ban sumar kho ya ka te ka wa bat ru ya ka te ka jaka penmi boarding electric ba kim dei ban penjot ya ki jingdon jing em ha katega jaka ha kane kasngi lawan bani simbenta dau Bah Metbah Lyngdoh Menteri ubade pe ya katnat boarding ha ka jela kumu kongsan ha ka jingya don rengkat uba sostene sotun Menteri ubade pe ya katnat CNRD kumu sumbut kongsan Deputy Commissioner Kariboha District Abhilash Baranwal bat ki officer katnat MEPGDCL lem bat ki pajba nong song snong ha kane kasngi la penlong ru ka jingya kijan ki khna school ki balara ru ya ki plakat harangkat ki jingtho ki bakarpat ban sumar kho ya kane kadam nang ta labut sa ki jing jurep ya ka jinglong jingman kate kadam da ki te ki menteri ka sarkar jilla Meghalaya la penlong ru ka jing thong ding ha kate ki jaka balalam khmat do Bah Metbah Lyngdoh pat uba sosten sotun kum ki kongsan kate kasngi
A concrete dam in the hell is a critical safety which is organized by Meghalaya Power Generation Corporation Limited under the initiative of the CPMU. These programs focus on educating downstream residents about the risks associated with dam operations and the proactive measures required for risk mitigation. The number of India's dams are aging, making them more vulnerable, while factors like climate change and structural deficiencies heighten the risk. India has itself witnessed dam break disasters in the past, resulting in substantial loss of life and property. That is why this awareness program today is being organized. The safety of dams in Meghalaya is the principal concern of the dams owners in the state, like the MEPGCL, PHC, the NEPCO, and others as well. It is of utmost priority of the dam owner to prevent dam failure and its associated risk by strengthening institutional framework for operation and maintenance and educating the public about emergency preparedness and responses to such disastrous events. Regarding structural integrity and hydrology, downstream communities often suffer from critical awareness gaps. The public often view dams as safe areas for recreation, like swimming, boating, fishing, and others, and do not fully understand the dangers posed by swift, turbulent currents near intakes and spillways, and sudden changes in water levels or submerged structures. And also, individuals living downstream may not know if a warning system like sirens, strobes, public announcement exists, how to recognize the signals or the correct actions to take in the event of an emergency. The primary goal of the training is to improve technical skills and expertise among dam safety professionals, and also to ensure public safety by informing and educating the community and especially public who are residing in the downstream of the dams.